Hi, do you have some of that stubborn fat that just won't go away? You don't feel like going to a spa. You've been working at it. Mychway might have the answer. I'm going to show you this 3-in-1 cavitation system. I got a little excited, so I already opened the box, but I'm basically reopening it for you. This comes with it. These are what you use, transducers, and you get 3 of them. You get this little holder that we're going to put together, an instruction book, the outlets, and this is the machine itself. So let's start by putting this together. Sorry, I have a small table, so a little bit of room here. Get little screws and open it goes on the face. Show you how I used it, give you some before and after pictures, and my review of this Mychway cavitation product. I'm so excited. Hi, Lorri GLP-1 Journey and Review. Today I'm going over the Mychway Cavitation Machine that they were kind enough to send me. I'd like to thank them. This is considered the 3-in-1. I was very skeptical about this, let me tell you, because I've tried a lot of things. I wasn't afraid of trying it. I was afraid it wasn't going to work, like so many other hacks and things that I've done in the past. I've done red light therapy, and I like that. There's some actual science behind that, but I've done cryotherapy, and there's some science behind that. I don't think it really did too much for my skin, but it did make me feel better. I've done other types of body sculpting where they try to freeze the fat. A little skeptical if that one worked, but again, I'm willing to try almost anything. So I was very happy when they decided that they were going to send me this. And I'm going to show you some before and after pictures. I've been concentrating on my neck, and I'll be honest with you, the reason why I'm going to do this, I was a little skeptical and they sent me the 3-in-1. I'm thinking when I do my belly, I'm going to upgrade my machine to the 5-in-1 because that has more equipment for the belly. And basically the way it works, it uses RF waves and red light to go through the skin and bust up the fat, and then you massage it down, and it drains through the lymph glands and you pee out some of the fat. Again, I was very skeptical about if this worked. But like I said, I'm going to show you my before and after pictures, and I was really surprised. So let me show you this machine. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. Maybe not, but this is the machine over here, and it's got an on-off switch in the back, and it's got little things to take these plugs in the back. When you turn it on, it automatically sets to 20 minutes. I did most of my session between 15 to 20 minutes. And again, I did them on my neck, a little bit on my face, because I didn't really have time to do that. And then another 20 minutes on my belly. And like I said, I want to get the little bit better machine that has more than just these 3. So again, you set the time, and you could set how intense you want it. I did mine. It goes up to 10. I did mine at 4. I started, and you could vary this and use for your face and neck. It's got 4 prongs, and there's one that has 3. That's for around the eyes, and this bigger one is for the belly. Now these have red light. This doesn't. The big one for the belly, and it makes this really weird, almost ringing type of noise that scares some people, but that just shows that it's working. Now, one thing that you have to do, let me put this down, is you have to have a lot of conducting oil gel. I happen to be lucky enough where I work in an outpatient imaging center, and they gave me a bunch. They gave me a couple of these bottles, and they gave me a gallon thing to refill it. But Mychway also has a facial gel, because when you do the head and neck, I wouldn't use the ultrasound type of gel. I would either use an oil, and not baby oil, but a good facial oil, which I happen to have some here. And I would use that as opposed to putting, I wouldn't be upset with putting the gel so much on my neck, but my face is a different story. So I'm going to briefly show you this, and I'm going to use some of their gel. And when I mentioned this at work and they gave me the gel, one of our sales reps happened to be there, and they were kind enough to say something. I have a gel warmer in my car. Would you like it? I'm like, sure, because this gel, it's a little bit cold, and I prefer it a little bit warm. Now make sure you use some sort of either gel or oil with this, because it does get kind of hot. And sorry about that. As you hit start, the red light should come on. So I have to tighten this here. Counter goes down, and you just go in a circular motion. You do that for a bit, and then that breaks up the fat, and then you go down to help it drain through the lymphatic vessels. So again, I didn't have that plugged in. Let me show you. There's only one plug in the back, so I am going to change that. So now I have that plugged in. Straighten this out. You can see that there's red light, and we all know how good red light is for the skin. So this helps tighten the skin along with breaking down the fat. And then, like I said, you just go down in it so that it could help drain it. This could get a little hot, so it's very important that you either have the gel or the oil, or you'll probably feel it. It's probably not enough to really burn you, but always have the gel. And I will tell you, the gel that comes with it, even the little gel that I have, make sure you have more, because if you do this for about 15-20 minutes, it's going to dry up and you're going to need some more gel. So that's basically how this works. It'll automatically turn off. Like I said, this is the 3-in-1. I'm going to upgrade to the 5-in-1 so I could do my belly. And that's pretty much the machine. I'm going to go into the before and after, and you tell me what you think. Now, as far as the skin tightening, you're going to see a difference, but remember, I'm almost 70 years old. If you're a little bit younger, your skin is going to react to it a little bit better and a little bit quicker. So I'm going to need some more treatments. As a matter of fact, you have to keep doing treatments, not quite as much when you get the desired look that you want. So pretty much that's it. Mychway is kind enough to give us discount codes. I'm going to show them on the screen. Depending on what you spend, it's either 20, 30, or 40% off. I'm not exactly sure, but the screen's going to be correct, and the link is going to be down below. And you let me know in the comments what you think, because remember, this machine, for what it costs for the machine, you can get one professional treatment at a spa, and that basically pays for the machine. And they're saying that you need 2 to 3 a week for about 3 to 4 weeks for the results that you want. So this machine has more than paid for itself. So I'm not upset if I have to get a new machine. And of course, I'm going to use my own discount, because why wouldn't I? And then I'm going to do my belly. And if it's as good on my belly as it is on my neck, I'm going to be very happy. Remember, this is only a tool. You need to hydrate, very important, because the fat's got to go drain somehow, and hydration helps. One of the tools in my toolbox is my Mychway decavitating machine, my Mychway cavitation machine, and my shot, of course, and my good healthy diet, of course, is another tool. All my protein and my hydration is another tool. But trust me, you're going to want this tool in your toolbox as you're losing the weight, and you want the fat to just melt away just a little bit and your skin to tighten a little bit. And then remember to wipe off the gel, and you may want to use a moisturizer afterwards, because that's important too. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is it worth it? You're going to see my before and after.